Today we're unboxing something I know you've all been waiting for. It's the brand new, just released on the market, Tiger brand rice cooker and warmer, featuring Tiger's Ta-Cook system. I don't know about you, but we will find out whether the Ta-Cook artificial intelligence rice cooking system is hype or legit. Now, there's been a lot of rumors in the rice cooker fanboy community about, what Tiger's up to now, but look at this. It's got advanced automatic cooking logic, slow cooking for when you want your food to come out slowly, and steam when you want to de-wrinkle your clothes or moisturize your pores or something. Also, synchro cooking, I have no idea what that means. But look, it is oval shaped, which is good for aerodynamics. All the latest, that's sort of the new trend we've noticed in rice cookers and warmers. It also has a levitating feature where you open the lid and the rice bowl insert slowly levitates out of the holder. Let's get to it. Let's do this. Just to let you know, Vonnie had to wait 2 hours in line at the store. It was out the door. Whoa, what do we have here? Looks like next gen Nubby rice paddle. And oh, yeah, I've heard about this too. Oh, yeah, needs to be on a, see, look at that. How many rice cookers and rice paddles have this feature? I mean, Tiger is a pretty amazing brand. They're very focused on cooking rice and steaming rice and slow cooking rice. And they've been in the market for, they basically created the market. Tiger. Not affiliated with Tiger King at all, in case you were wondering. Yeah, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So here we go. Oh man, this is a beauty. One thing I really like about Tiger is their design aesthetic carries over, not just to the product, but the packaging as well. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Wow. Well, off the bat, we see it's got some chrome and a nice. Oh wait, haha, I gotta peel off the protective tape on each side. Good looking out on safety, Tiger, yeah. And what's interesting is that the clock, or whatever this is working now. So there's something going on. It's maybe runs on cold fusion, or there's a nuclear generator inside or something? I don't know, it's cool. Maybe I don't even need to plug it in. Whoa, look at that. We've got the orange insert. Classy measuring rice cup. Looks like a Dixie cup. And BPA free. And for all those who did not grow up in a Chinese or Asian household, this is how you measure rice. Don't use this shit. This is how you measure rice. Oh, remember, take this paper out before you start cooking. Look, and for all you Berkeley folks, brown rice, quinine, slow cook and steam, and porridge function. Look at that. You need your porridge. And I believe this implies that it will make tacos as well. Anyway, looks great. I'm gonna make some rice, see how it does, and we'll report back. But this is my review of the Tiger JBV10CU Next Gen Rice Cooker and Warmer. Signing off. Okay, we're gonna make 2 cups of Thai jasmine rice. Not gonna wash it. See how it does with the starch. Test it out. See you later, rice. All right, here we go. We're going to do quick start. That's it. Look, little lights on. Little rice robot is, Tiger rice robot is happy. It's beeping. Here we go. And here comes the Tiger Rice Cooker Warmer inaugural rice cook unveiling. Ooh. Let's see. A lot of steam in here. Makes sense. One of the functions of this is to steam your clothes. Let's see how this rice turned out. Remember, we didn't wash it, which is something I normally do for kind of fluffy rice. Not bad, not bad. Like it. Very impressed. Tiger, you did good. Remember, stand in line at Costco, 6 feet away from each other, so you can get Tiger's next generation rice cooker steamer, JBV10CU. Signing off.